If you've been sleeping on WhatsApp for your business, it's time to wake up because WhatsApp just made a huge update. For the first time ever, they're rolling out ads. That's a big deal. But even before this update, smart businesses were already using WhatsApp to get more leads, close more sales, and build stronger customer relationships without spending a dime on ads. So by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to set up your WhatsApp business account, attract and convert customers, and scale your efforts with confidence. And of course, we'll make sure you're one of the first to take advantage of WhatsApp's new ad features. Let's get into it. So why WhatsApp? Well, for starters, it's massive. Almost 3 billion people use WhatsApp every month. That's more than TikTok, more than Instagram, and only Facebook has more users. But here's a fun fact. While the average email has a 20% open rate, WhatsApp messages, 98% open rate. That means almost every message you send is actually getting seen. No spam folders, no disappearing into the algorithm, and according to 77% of customers expect to interact with someone immediately when they contact the company. So when you show up on WhatsApp, it's not just convenient, it's what your customers already want. It's like meeting them in the place they already hang out. You're not interrupting them, you're invited. Before we set anything up, let's talk tools. There are 2 versions of WhatsApp for business, and choosing the right one comes down to where you're at. First is the WhatsApp Business app. This is what most small businesses should start with. It's free, easy to set up, and gives you access to things like a professional business profile, auto replies and quick replies, labels to organize your chats, and a product catalog right inside the app. It's important to note that the WhatsApp Business app is a separate app from WhatsApp, which is the one you use for chatting with friends, family, and blocking those exes who occasionally DM you in the middle of the night. Just me? Okay. But it works the same way on your phone and you can reply just like a normal text. Then there's the WhatsApp Business Platform, sometimes called WhatsApp Business API. This one's for when you're ready to scale and automate. You'll need a tech partner to help set it up, like Twilio, 360 Dialogue, or Zoco. But once it's running, you can automate flows and reminders, integrate with your CRM, like HubSpot, send messages to a large contact list, and track deeper analytics. My recommendation for you is to first start with the Business app. It's perfect for solopreneurs, coaches, local shops, anyone who wants to test the waters and start talking to customers fast. You can always upgrade to the API later once you've got momentum. It's important to remember that WhatsApp users expect personal, authentic communication. This isn't like social media where you're broadcasting to everyone. Every interaction on WhatsApp feels like a one-on-one conversation, which means higher trust, better relationships, and ultimately, more sales. Now, before we get you set up on the platform, if you're following along and actually want to implement this while you watch, I've linked 2 free tools below that'll save you hours. First is the Launch Your Business on WhatsApp guide. It's your full walkthrough from setting up your profile to building campaigns that convert. Second is the AI-powered WhatsApp planning sheet. It helps you map out your offers, write messages with ChatGPT, and track results, all in one doc. You can download both for free and literally build your strategy as we go. Links are in the description. Now let's get you set up. Think of this like building a mini digital storefront. It's how customers will find you, contact you, and start that first conversation. Step 1, download the WhatsApp Business app from the App Store or Google Play. It's free and it looks like this. Step 2, use your business phone number to sign up. If you're using your personal number for now, you can change it later, but ideally use a number that's just for your business. Step 3, fill out your business profile. This includes a logo instead of your personal photo, your business name, keep it consistent with your brand, a short description that explains who you help and what you offer, and make sure to add business hours and location if relevant. You can find this option under Tools, Business Profile. All of this shows up every time someone messages you, so it's worth spending a few minutes making it clear and helpful. Step 4, set up your greeting message. This is an automatic message that people get when they first message you, like a friendly, "Hey, we got your message, here's what to expect." Step 5, create a few quick replies. These are pre-written responses you can send with one tap for common questions like, "Do you offer free shipping?" or "What's your return policy?" This saves so much time. Step 6, set your away messages so that you instantly connect with your customers even when you aren't online. Step 7, and this is optional, but highly recommended. Apply for Meta Verified so you can get that little green check mark. It builds trust instantly and shows you're legit. Just note, this green badge is part of Meta Verified, which is currently rolling out and may not be available in all countries yet. If you don't see the Meta Verified option in your WhatsApp business app, it likely isn't available to you yet. You can check by going to Settings, Meta Verified, and join a waitlist if needed. Step 8, set up your labels to organize your chats, like hot leads, current customers, or support. This makes it easy to follow up and never miss a sales opportunity. And finally, this part is super important. Before you start messaging anyone, please understand you can only message people who've given you their number or explicitly opted in to hear from you. WhatsApp takes spam very seriously, and getting banned from the platform can kill your business overnight. No joke. So whether you're running an ad, collecting numbers through a form, or just chatting with someone in store, always make sure they've given permission to be contacted. It's not just about following the rules, it's about building trust with your audience from day one. Let's talk about how to find those people. Now that your profile's set up and you're clear on the rules, it's time to actually get people into your WhatsApp inbox. In this section, I'm going to show you 6 simple ways to start building your contact list without needing a big budget or a huge audience. These are beginner friendly and work for local shops, online stores, service providers, basically anyone who wants to make sales through real conversations. First up, click to WhatsApp ads on Facebook and Instagram. These are really cool because people don't have to fill out a form or click through a website. They just tap the ad and it opens a WhatsApp conversation with you instantly. You can use this to run promotions, answer FAQs, or just start a friendly convo that turns into a sale. Here's how to set it up. Within your Meta Ads Manager, create a campaign. Set the buying type to auction and the campaign objective to leads. Choose a campaign setup. Use recommended settings for best practices, but if you want more advanced control over campaign settings, you can select manual leads campaign. Within your ad set, choose WhatsApp as your conversion location. If your WhatsApp business account isn't connected yet, Ads Manager will prompt you. Go ahead and link the number associated with your WhatsApp business account. This allows leads to message you instantly. Now within your ad creatives, upload your media. You'll want to choose a clean branded image and adjust the crop for feed placements. Then add your ad copy. Include primary text, headline, and description. Use the preview tool to check how your ad will appear across placements and tweak as needed. Once everything is ready, go ahead and hit publish. Your click to WhatsApp ad will go live and start capturing leads. Next up, QR codes. If you have a physical location like a store, cafe, or booth, create a WhatsApp QR code. Put it on your signage, receipts, product packaging, even your business cards. When someone scans it, it opens WhatsApp with a message already written for them like, "Hey, I saw your QR. Tell me more about your product or service." To get your QR code, under Tools, select Short Link, View QR Code. The third way is to add a WhatsApp chat widget to your website. It's super easy to set up and it gives people a clear way to message you when they're browsing. Use friendly copy like, "Got a question? Message us on WhatsApp," or "Talk to a real human." Free tools like Elfsight can get you started with building your widget. It allows you to select a template to start with and customize, from chat window picture, name, welcome message, and pre-filled message. Next up, don't forget to promote your WhatsApp across your other channels. Drop your WhatsApp link in your Instagram bio or in your YouTube description, anywhere your audience already hangs out. You can also set up an email signature with a site like My Signature. Make it feel natural, like, "Prefer texting? Message us on WhatsApp for faster replies." One of the fastest ways to grow your WhatsApp list is through a lead magnet. For example, a post on Instagram says, "1 hour free guide, message us checklist on WhatsApp and we'll send it right over." Then send it via WhatsApp using quick replies. You can also run simple giveaways where people enter by messaging you. But again, just make sure they opt in. And last, and this one's my favorite, set up a simple referral program. Encourage happy customers to share your WhatsApp with a friend. The easiest way, giving your QR code that you made earlier so they can screenshot and forward. When someone scans it, it opens your pre-filled message and starts a chat instantly. No links, no copy pasting. WhatsApp is built for sharing, so use that to your advantage. You don't need to do all 6 of these today. Just pick one that fits your business and get it live this week. The first message you get is proof it's working. And from there, it only builds. Okay, so you got people messaging you on WhatsApp. Now what? This is where a lot of businesses struggle, but don't worry, because messaging on WhatsApp is actually way more relaxed and human than email or social media. Look at it this way. It's not about broadcasting to an audience. It's about texting one person at a time with helpful, personal, and friendly content that builds trust. Let me run through a few messaging tips to help you get started. If you want AI to help you write these, head to the WhatsApp AI prompts page within the campaign planner sheet. You'll see tons of prompts that you can copy and paste into ChatGPT to help craft these messages perfectly for your business. So when it comes to messaging on WhatsApp, the main thing to remember is that the best WhatsApp content feels like texting a friend. You don't need polished sales language or fancy graphics. Just be helpful. For example, hey, just saw your message. Want help choosing the right product? Or here's a quick video demo. Let me know if you have questions. People want to talk to a real human, not a brand voice. Speaking of talking to a real human, voice messages are such a hidden gem. They're quick, personal, and perfect for explaining something complex or building rapport. Just keep them short, under 30 seconds, and make sure they sound like you. Voice messages are just one of the cool features WhatsApp supports. It also supports images, videos, PDFs, and even catalogs. Instead of polished marketing assets, send stuff that feels real. For example, snap a product photo in natural light, or send a PDF of your pricing. This builds trust way faster than something overly produced. Now, here's a clever move. Use your WhatsApp status to share updates, offers, tips, anything you normally post to Instagram stories. Why? Because everyone on your contact list sees it. There's no algorithm games. Try posting a new product, a flash sale, or a tip of the week. It's like having a free broadcast channel to your hottest leads. Here's a bonus tip for you. If you send something people want to share, like a great deal, a meme, or a behind the scenes moment, they'll forward it to friends. That's how you get organic growth without ads. Keep testing what gets people replying, clicking, or forwarding, and double down on that. Moral of the story, the best WhatsApp messages feel human, not scripted. If you're ever stuck, ask yourself, what would I say if this person was standing right in front of me? That's usually the message you should send. All right, this is where WhatsApp really starts pulling its weight. Beyond just chatting, you can use WhatsApp as a full-blown customer service and sales tool. Imagine someone messages you about a product. You answer their question, send a photo or demo video, help them choose the right one, and they buy, all in the same chat. No forms, no checkout confusion, no drop-off. Here are a few tips you should try. Earlier, we talked about setting up quick replies for common questions like shipping, returns, or hours. This is where they come in handy. They let you respond quickly without sounding robotic, so you can stay fast and personal as your inbox grows. However, you don't want to rely too heavily on automation. People message businesses on WhatsApp because they want to talk to a real person, not a bot. Use automation to acknowledge messages and set expectations. Then have real humans take over. Now, great customer service isn't just about answering questions. It's about keeping people in the loop before they even ask. With the WhatsApp catalog, you can showcase your products like a mini store. List items with images, prices, and descriptions. Let people browse, ask questions, and even buy, all in one chat. This is perfect for physical products, digital services, or even booking packages. But what if someone almost buys and then disappears? This is where WhatsApp works super well for abandoned carts. Follow up with a quick personal message like, hey, just checking in. Still thinking about the product? This kind of one-on-one outreach feels helpful, not pushy, and it's way more effective than automated emails. And if you're ready to scale or just want to cut back on repetitive tasks, you might want to explore flows. WhatsApp flows let you build structured, interactive conversations, perfect for helping customers check order status, submit issues, or get product recommendations without typing a word. It's still human first, just with smarter touch points. You'll need the API and a provider like Twilio or Zoco to access this, but it's a powerful step once your volume grows. You would set this up inside your Meta business portfolio. Whether you're answering questions, sending order updates, or closing sales, WhatsApp lets you handle it all in one place. Start simple with a catalog and quick replies, and add automation later as you grow. The goal is to stay personal and efficient. and WhatsApp makes that possible. Okay, your WhatsApp is up and running. You've got conversations coming in, sales starting to flow, but how do you know it's actually working? Let's talk about what to track and what to avoid. Track open rate. This one's easy because WhatsApp messages almost always get opened. Just keep in mind, a message seen does not equal a sale. It's what happens after that matters. Track response time. Aim to reply within 5 to 10 minutes when possible. If you're busy, use an auto reply to set expectations. Track how many chats actually turn into purchases. You can do this manually by tagging or labeling conversations. And track customer satisfaction. Ask for quick feedback like, was this helpful? Or anything I can improve next time? Now for some mistakes you'll want to avoid. Avoid messaging without permission. We talked about this earlier, but it's worth repeating. Do not message people who haven't opted in. WhatsApp is strict about spam. If you get reported too often, your account can be shut down fast. Always collect explicit permission through forms, ads, or direct opt-in messages. Avoid treating WhatsApp like email. Don't blast the same promo to 500 people. Instead, segment your audience and send relevant, personalized messages. Think new customer welcome messages, VIP-only offers, and order updates for recent buyers. And lastly, don't overdo the bots. A little automation is great, but people come to WhatsApp because they want a real conversation. Use automation to say, hey, we got your message, but make sure an actual human takes it from there. So to recap, keep your messaging personal, track what matters, and stay compliant. If you do that, WhatsApp won't just be a messaging app. It'll become one of your most powerful marketing and sales channels. Okay, remember back at the beginning when I said WhatsApp just made a massive update? Let me break that down. Meta officially launched WhatsApp ads for the first time ever. After over a decade of being completely ad-free, WhatsApp is now opening the doors for paid promotion, and it's built for conversation, not clicks. This is a big deal, especially for small businesses who have been using WhatsApp to build relationships. And right now, there are 3 types of ads you can use inside WhatsApp to scale your reach and revenue. First up, status ads. These are just like Instagram stories ads, but they show up in WhatsApp's updates tab between status posts. Next, promoted channels. If you launch a WhatsApp channel for your business, you can now pay to boost its visibility in the Explore tab. And finally, channel subscriptions. You can now charge for access to a private WhatsApp channel. Think of it like a premium fee for your top tier customers. Here's why this matters. These ads only appear in the updates tab, so they're not interrupting private conversations. And Meta's keeping it privacy safe. The targeting is based on broad info like language, location, and interest, not your private messages. Plus, these ads are specifically designed to start conversations with businesses, not just drive traffic elsewhere. Let's wrap this all up with a simple 5-step roadmap to grow your business with WhatsApp. Step 1, set up your WhatsApp business profile with a clear description and auto replies. Step 2, add a QR code, website widget, and promote your link across channels. Step 3, start real conversations by sending helpful messages, photos, and quick replies. Step 4, use status and channels to share updates, offers, and behind-the-scenes content. And step 5, when ads are available, launch a status ad that invites people to start a chat. All right, let's quickly recap. You should now know how to set up your WhatsApp business profile, grow your contact list without ads, send content that builds trust and drives sales, use WhatsApp for customer service and conversions, and prepare to be first in line when WhatsApp ads roll out. Everything you'll need to succeed is also in the free tools linked below, the Launch Your Business on WhatsApp guide, and the AI-powered planning sheet to help you map this all out. So don't just watch, implement. Start with step 1 on a roadmap and knock it out in the next week. If you found this helpful, give it a like and hit that subscribe button. And feel free to drop a comment with your biggest WhatsApp marketing question. I just might cover it in a future video. You've got the tools, you've got the strategy, now go start conversations that convert. Thanks for hanging out with me, and I'll see you on the next one.